2 herons in the tree now. I found 2 of them. Oh, looking down. There he goes. Is the other one gonna fly? Oh, the other one's away too. Where are they going? There they are. I can't figure out what these birds are. Up in the tree there. There's a whole pile of them sticking up in those trees up there. Oh, there's a white one up there. That's a weird looking bird. What is that? What are these birds? I've never seen them before. I don't know what they are. They're weird looking things. There it is. Such a broad canvas. There he is. There he goes. Up in the tree up there. There's 2 of them there. Oh. This one get close up. Over there. Oh, can't see them from here. It's 3. I wonder if that's their babies. The whole nest. The dark gray ones. I wonder if those are the babies. Beautiful, aren't they?